Hello, this is Ashish and you are watching Born Again. And today we are going to talk about meditation. How we can do meditation effectively. How we can utilize meditation in its full potential. We are going to talk about today. In my previous videos, I have told you that meditation can be a very good technique to distract ourselves from our unwanted thoughts. And it can be also a very good technique, very good way to connect ourselves with our inner self, with our whole self, with our wholeness. So now meditation is a very good thing to do, and every successful people, most of 90% of successful people you will find they do meditation every day. So how you can do meditation in its full potential, how you can utilize this meditation fully in your life. Today we are going to talk about this. The meditation is a very neutral, very natural, very simple focus work. The main purpose of meditation is focusing on a very neutral, very simple subject that you don't have any negative or positive feeling or thoughts about, like a neutral sound, like a constant sound, like your breathing, like some sound you can hear right now in where you are, some point in your wall, or some kind of flames, some kind of water drop, anything that you don't have any kind of negative or positive thoughts on that subject. So you can take that kind of subject and focus on that. So that this focusing is meditation. But how we can do it effectively? So for doing meditation, firstly you have to be comfortable. You have to be very much comfortable in your body, in your room. So for starting meditation, you can be in a seated position, you can be in a lying position, you can be in a standing position. Anything that makes you comfortable, you can be on that posture. So I assume that you choose to do a seated posture. So you sit on a room, and now look at the room. How you can make this room feel to you more comfortable. If you organize that room more properly, will it make you more comfortable? If you turn on the light, will that make you more comfortable? If you open the windows, open the doors, will it make you more comfortable? Decide and do that and make yourself more comfortable. Now, in your sitting position, you can take anything that is very nominal, very neutral, very general type to give focus upon, like any sound, a constant sound. You will find many sound of meditation in YouTube, and you can also go for your surrounding sounds, what you can hear right now. You can also take any point in your front wall, or some picture, or some kind of anything that you can give your focus, or you can give your focus on your breathing. And now when you decide what you want to give focus in this meditation, just take it. So I assume that you take a constant sound. Now take the sound. If you take the sound from YouTube, open the YouTube, open up the sound, and take out your headphones and put it in your ear. Now, before closing and starting meditation, before closing your eyes and starting meditation, take some 2 to 3 deep breaths. Again. So 2 to 3 deep breaths, and feel the calmness that running down in your whole body. And with this calmness, slightly close your eyes. Now after closing your eyes, take some more 4 to 5 times deep breaths, and feel the calmness that is coming down to your body. After closing your eyes and taking 4 or 5 breaths, now you can start focusing on that sound, that is going on your ears. When you started focusing on that sound, if you are uncomfortable with this breathing, you can stop it. And if you feel necessary to take any deep breaths in this 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes that you are going to do this meditation, you can take that deep breath anytime you want, anytime you feel to do that. So now, started focusing on the sound. So when you focus on the sound, focus precisely that every constant sound has more sound particles, more sound dividation, more sound parts in it if you find closely. So for example, take the sound is this kind of sound. So you can deeply focus on the sound and find and focus on one part, on a single particle, on a single part of the sound. You can focus on the part and the rest part, the part, the upper part, you can leave that. You can focus on the and leave you can focus on the lowest part and leave the upper part. So what it will do, the main reason I am telling you to do that it will make you focus deeply on that sound. What happened on some many people's, and maybe to you also, that whenever you started meditation for the beginning 1 to 7 days or 1 to 10 days, the thoughts, that the unwanted thoughts, the strong unwanted or negative thoughts that you are releasing, that you are distracting yourself from, can come in your meditation state, can come on your focusing on the sound, can come and you can receive that thought and focused on that thought. So whenever you are giving deep focus, this kind of focus on a sound, whenever a thought comes, you can ignore it. You will be strong in your deep focus, you will be strong in your focus on the sound, and you can be ignore that. But many times you can't. So whenever a unwanted thought came to your mind and you notice, don't treat them as enemies, treat them as friends. So how we can treat our friends? How we can treat our friends when they come, when we are not needed them in whatever we are doing. So you are not needing that unwanted thoughts in your meditation. So if they come, as they can come, if as they have strong momentum and law of attraction still bring you for the first 7 or 10 days in your meditation. So what you will do, you will treat them as friends. So how you treat them? You can look at them, you can observe them without eyes closing. You can observe them and just tell in your mind them that you can stay or you can go, but I am not right now focusing on you, I am focusing on that sound. You can stay or you can go, but I am focusing on the sound. And then slightly, and then generally, and then very, very, very slowly bring your focus to the sound. They came, you observe them, you tell them stay or go, you don't care, and now you again transfer your focus on that sound. So this is your practice, this is your focal practice, this is your focus practice that you are doing in meditation. Whenever a unwanted thought, a not needed in this time thought came to your mind, you will distract yourself and again put your focus on the sound. So now you will do this for 10 to 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. Not do this more than 20 minutes, because if you are not able to sync up with your greater part, sync up with your pure positive energy, which you will trace by your feeling of satisfaction, feeling of contentment, feeling of slight happiness. If you're not able to do that within 20 minutes, you can be certain that in this moment, right now, your negative thoughts, your unwanted thoughts has lots of momentum, so you can't make this meditation work right now. So let it stop for right now after 20 minutes, and you can try it for again in the evening or in the night, or you can just set it aside for this day and try it again tomorrow. So you are doing your meditation this way. Now what happens in some cases, or in many cases, you can have a slight move in your body in side to side or front to back whenever you're doing meditation, or you can have some tingling on your any muscles or any body parts, or anything like numbing feeling, anything like very light feeling, anything like disconnected with this world feeling. Whatever kind of feeling you have, you can be certain that you are getting this feeling because you are already synced with your pure positive energy. You are doing it right. You are doing the meditation correctly. Your positive part, your pure positive widespread focal point, your pure inner self is giving you the indication that you are synced with them, that you are synced with your wholeness, and they are giving you the indication by moving your body front to back, side to side, or by tingling in your body, or some kind of numbness or lightness in your body. So this is how you do meditation. And if someday or continuously for 2 to 3 days you can't reach that place, you can't reach that connection, don't be discouraged. Just forget about previous day, forget about yesterday, and start again next day. Start again fresh next day. Don't expect to fail in meditation just by seeing the previous day or some 2 or 3 days that this was not working. Don't expect that. If you come to expect, it will happen to you. So don't expect to do meditation properly. Expect to meditation work. Expect to meditation give you connection with your inner self, and you will feel better, and you will connect every day with your greater self, and your life will start changing in front of your eyes.